is a resistance against the indentations or marks or scratches. So here first we have to know what is the aim of the experiment. The aim of the experiment is to find out the Rockwell hardness number of the materials. And apparatus used for this experiment is, first we need a apparatus, that is Rockwell hardness testing machine and ball indenter, then testing specimens. First we come to the observation. Here in this there are two scales, one is scale B and scale C. Scale B we use diameter of ball indenter which is of 1:16 inches or which is equal to 0.16 mm, and for scale C we are using diamond indenter of angle 120 degree. And this is a pictorial view of the Rockwell hardness testing. This is a specimen and this is the indenter, and this is what the penetration against the specimen, and this is the indentation of the this indenter. And now come to the tabular column. See, in the tabular column, first column is serial number, that is specimens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and second is scale. The scale we are used here, we use only B scale and C scale, and material used for the B scale we can use copper, we can use aluminium, and for the C scale we have to use mild steel. And come to the indenter. Next column is indenter used. Here for the B scale we are using ball indenter, and for the C scale we are using diamond indenter. And here there are two loads, one is minor load and major load. So minor load means already applied on the specimen. The load which is pre-applied, it is called minor load, and major load, it is the load applied after the it is a load after the specimen placed. So the minor load is 10 kg and it is for B scale, and for the C scale it is also same 10 kg, and major load it is 90 kg for the B scale, and for the C scale it is 140 kg. And the next column is RHN, Rockwell hardness number, and here you have to take the three readings, reading 1, reading 2, reading 3, and reading 1, 2 and 3, and the last column is average of this RHN. Means you have to take the average, you have to add all the three readings and divide by 3, you will get the average number. Okay. So next come to the experiment, hardness testing machine. Okay. See here, this is the scale we are using. There are two types of scale. One is B, it is in the red color, and the C scale it is in the black color. So for the copper we are taking the readings of B scale, and for the mild steel we are going to take the C scale reading, that is in the black color. Okay. Next, so this is a specimen. So this specimen, it is a copper specimen. First we have to prepare the specimen surface. Okay. Next, place the specimen on the table, work table. Okay. Next, we are rotating this lever in anti-clockwise direction till it reaches the indenter. So this is the ball indenter we are using for B scale. It is a ball indenter. Okay, that will rotate, and see here. So in the small scale, this, yes, tight it. Yes, it should be come between 2 and 3. Till that we have to rotate this lever. Yes, okay. Once it reaches the between 2 to 3, and also this major dial is at the set point. See here, this is the set point. Okay. So now this setup is ready for conducting the experiment, and this is a lever which is used to apply the major load, and here we have to set the major load. Here we have to set the major load. So this is a major load, and here we set it for 90 kg. It is set it for 90 kg because we are using the B scale. Yes. Yes, minor plus major, it is equal to 100 kg, total 100 kg, and this is a lever we are going to apply it on the specimen. So next step is slowly release the lever, so that we are going to apply the major load. You can observe that how the dial gauge is rotating. Okay, wait for 30 seconds so that it will stabilize, and after that slowly release the load. Slowly release the load. Yes. Now you can note down the reading. It is of nearly 56 to 86 to 87, because we have to consider B scale. It is in the red color, so that it is between 86 to 87. You can consider 87, no problem. This is how we have to note down the reading. Okay, stop. Of experiment, we have to note down the readings. First reading is 87, second reading is 89, and third reading is 86. So I have to add all the readings so that we will get 262 total reading, and divided by 3, it is of 87.3, and approximately the average number for Rockwell hardness for the copper is 87. Okay, the conclusion is the Rockwell hardness number for copper is 87. Okay, thank you.